Hey guys, today we're gonna be making an image slideshow using only CSS, and it's gonna look something like this. We're gonna have 6 pictures and they're gonna animate and also change, so we have a slideshow here. So this is kind of how it's gonna look like. You guys can add as many pictures as you want. You can make them go slower or faster. I'll show you both ways. And then here I added the image folder with these 6 pictures, and I'm gonna be linking all of them in the description, so if you guys want to get the same pictures, you can do that. And then I have my style CSS that's empty and index HTML here. So inside our index, the first thing we want to add is we're going to have a div with a class of image, and we're going to do times 6 to create 6 same divs. And then we want to add a different class to each of them. So they're all going to have the same class of image, but we just want to add another class that we can easily target them in CSS. So we're going to add image again, and then for the first one it's going to be 1, so image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4, image 5, and image 6. And that's all HTML we're going to have here, and we also need to link our styles, so link styles.css. And we have it open here with live server, so there's nothing yet here. So we're gonna add a few styles here. First one that we wanna add a box sizing or border box, and we also wanna remove the margin from all the elements. Then we can target our body here. We're gonna make it full width and height, so width 100% and min height 100 VH. And then for our image, so all of these have the class of image, but they also have different ones. So the second class for some other styles. So we're gonna target all of them first. We're gonna make them full width as well and full height here. So min height 100 VH. We're gonna make them position absolute, z index of 1. And we're gonna have animation, so we're gonna do animation name here. And we're gonna call it fade in. And we're also gonna have animation fill mode, so animation dash fill dash mode, and it's gonna be forwards here. So this is gonna affect all the pictures, and then we're gonna target each picture based on the second class. So this one has image 1, image 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're gonna do .image.image1. And we're gonna copy that 5 more times. And this is gonna be image 2. This one is gonna be image 3. Image 4. Image 5. And last one is gonna be image 6. And then for these pictures, we're gonna add a different background first. So it's gonna be background URL, and then name them like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, so it's easy to add them here. And then we're gonna do no repeat, center cover, and we're also gonna add animation duration, which is gonna be different for all of them. The first one is gonna have 1 second. Then we can copy this here. This is gonna be image 2, and animation duration is gonna be 6 seconds. Then let's copy it again. This is gonna be our image 3, and here for duration we wanna do 12. This is gonna be image 4, and for duration we wanna do 18. Then we have image 5, so we can change the number to 5 here. And this is gonna be 24 for duration. And the last one is gonna be image 6, and we're gonna add 30 here. And then finally at the end we want to add keyframes for this animation we made before, which is fade in. So all of these have this animation. So we're going to do add keyframes, fade in, and then we're going to do 0%. So it's going to start with opacity 0. Then on 50% here we're going to have opacity 0 as well. And then on 100%, we're going to have opacity of 1. Then if we save that and go back, we have a single picture showing, then it animates because of that on keyframes we have with opacity, and it's gonna switch to another picture. So we currently only have 6, and once it hits the end, it's just gonna stop. And you can also make this bigger, not bigger, by you can add, like, let's say 5 seconds here. You can add maybe 20, 40, 60 here, and 80 to make it a bit slower. So if we go back to our first picture, that's gonna animate here, and then we're gonna wait a bit before it goes to the next one, as you'll see here. And you can add as many pictures as you guys want. And this is gonna be our final project. And I'll just leave this back as it was before. You guys can mess with these values, make it either faster or slower, whatever you guys prefer. But yeah, that would be it for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.